What's up, everybody? I look like shit. I know I look like shit. But this video is just a quick video. Just talk about something that I just watched, on YouTube called um Undercover Boss. Yeah, I don't know how I came to start watching it, but I just started watching. I watched 5 episodes since day. 5 episodes, and you can see I'm literally crying. I'm literally crying. It just shows me that people do care, and we can't really blame the bosses and the managers for the struggles we face in life, because they literally don't know what is going on in their company. I've seen persons, also in Jamaica, I've seen persons struggling and still come to work and work very hard. And seeing this now, it opens my eyes to say that they actually don't know what's going on, and we can't blame them. We can't blame them. They gave their instructions and set out their rules and regulations and guidelines, hoping that who is below them will do the necessary things to ensure that the employees and everybody's okay. In their head, we are okay. And they don't really understand what we feel or what we do. Watching this and seeing how these CEOs, these bosses, these managers react to how the employees feel and work. I've seen in the videos I watch, persons taking care of their family, taking care of their mom, taking care of their dad, taking care of their brother, taking care of their sisters, have their own personal issues. Some of them don't even own a house, so they live in the shelter with their kids. I'm not in such a bad situation, but I do have my struggles. I'm speaking out for everybody who out there working and under pressure. In life, things do happen to us. Some of us just, I can say, just things just never work out for us. Some of those things do work out. Seeing this now gives me hope and let me feel really, really happy. So I advise you guys, if you haven't seen Undercover Boss, I needed to watch that. I'm shedding tears. At first I was literally fighting my tears for the first 2 episodes. Fighting my tears. I had to stop watching it. And the worst thing is not sad tears, it's happy tears. I'm so happy, and I actually, it's like I'm feeling what those persons are feeling, the stress that they have been going through, the hardship, and seeing that those CEOs put on those disguises, go down into their companies and see and feel what the employees are feeling. It just makes me feel good, and seeing them, helping them, giving them money, giving them promotions, because that know that there are persons working that really works very, very hard. Very, very hard. Seeing them at work, you will never know that they're actually struggling in life. Because I'm watching these videos now and seeing how some of these people work. Dang. These people work like their life are so perfect. Behind the scenes, it's not. They're struggling. No, they're homeless. They're doing 3-4 jobs just to take care of their family. They haven't seen their families. They go home, sleep, and back to work. Yeah, it's very hard. Watching this video now, it really opens my eye up to the world, and I hope other persons, other bosses, other CEOs sees this. I'm not saying that they should do the same, but at least know that there are people that are actually struggling, like literally. Persons couldn't finish school because they have to finish drop out of school because they was financially stable. Their parents are sick, so no one's there to take care of them. So I've seen a 19-year-old taking care of her family. A 19-year-old. I know this is not the whole person doing it. I know a lot of kids in the world doing this shit. She have to drop out of school, not going to college, just take care of her family. And when you see her working, you never guess that she's stressed out as hell. Yeah, so I'm not going to go any further on this. I'm just And then this video just to, I just making a video just to clarify that there are really good CEOs and bosses out there. We as the lower ranks, we do know that they don't know, and sometimes we think that they don't care. But seeing this video, it shows me that some of them really doesn't care. Like not doesn't care, but doesn't know what's going on. And we as the employees should understand that. So it's not because they're the bosses and they're getting so many money. They say, oh, we can pay them more because we're making so many money. Sometimes they don't really know. They're busy. They're not focused on that. They leave persons, their managers, their supervisors to do that for them. So we can't really blame them because they don't know what's going on. It's managers and supervisors' job to notify them and let them know that the workers need to be treated better. So that's the end of my video for today. I'm Kevin, this is KS Vlogs, and I'm out. Remember, please like, share. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, comment here below what you think about this. And if you I've seen Undercover Bosses, tell me what you think about it. Tell me if it made you cry, give me a thumbs up. Put a smile on your face, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, well, I don't know, but that is a video to watch. A series to watch, I should say. It's a series. I watched 5 episodes so far. I will watch the others, like literally. And I've liked all of them too. Like, damn. For real. So, also for KS Vlogs, I'm Kevin. I'm out. Bye. Peace.